Hey everybody, you're not going to believe this. I'm actually sitting on the worktop because my phone's flat and I've had to plug it into the charger. But Kate on Twitter has asked me about pastry because she said when she tries to roll out her pastry, it crumbles all over the place. And it's all about the amount of liquid. Too much liquid and your pastry will stick to your worktop, and then you need lots of flour. Not enough liquid and it'll crumble and break. So here's how to get it just right. First tip when making pastry is work in pounds and ounces, because it's so easy then to calculate the amount of liquid. You want half fat to flour, and then for every ounce of fat you want a tablespoon of liquid. And I'm using an egg yolk, which is my first tablespoon, and then 3 tablespoons of icy cold water. I blitz together my flour and my butter, add this egg mix, and then your dough will form itself. And I'll give you the recipe for this delicious quiche.